Good morning. Say goodbye, everybody. We're going to the closing. Guys, we're going to the closing this morning. All dressed. Here's what I'm wearing. I'm so excited. I slept so good last night. I think the sun is behind me, so bear with me for a second. Morning. So we're heading over to the house to do the final walkthrough. Then we're going to the attorney's office to sign away. And then I'm bringing you to do an empty house tour. Look at all the stuff in the back. I've been shopping this week. Check this one out. Good morning.
People.
We're going out what? Buy a house. I'm excited, I'm anxious, I'm giddy, I'm chatty Cathy this morning. But while we're driving here, I want to show you first feeling of the day. Chocolate chip cookie dough. No. Frosted cookie dough. I can't focus. I gotta go because I want to focus on my driving, but we will see you in there. I'm gonna have Jess film while I'm signing my name on all the paperwork. Say goodbye.
Later, people.
I'm excited and anxious, and we're heading to the final walkthrough right now. It's 8:30 in the morning, actually 8:33 in the morning. We're meeting up at the house to do our final walkthrough, and I'm gonna clearly give you that empty house tour later. We're going to buy a house. Woo-hoo-hoo. So we're here, and it looks like the agent just pulled up, so we are gonna go do the final walkthrough. I can't wait to show you guys.
There's a 7-Eleven at the end of the street.
Yes, at the way end, we crossed 2 streets. I believe that's her. All right, let's go. All right, there's a 7-Eleven down there, and Jess loves 7-Eleven coffee, so good for him. All right, see you guys later. So we are here for the walkthrough. We just did the walkthrough, and everything looks perfect. So now we're heading over to the lawyer's office to get all of our paperwork signed, and then we'll be back. I want to clean and dust because there's some speckle dust around. But other than that, guys, you're gonna see this house a little bit. I'm so excited. Oh my God, I'm like a kid in a candy store. Guys, this is just the bottom level of the house right now. Tomorrow, in tomorrow's vlog, I'm going to show you the upstairs, the basement, the yard, and all of those good things. But time is running short. So sit back, relax, watch the rest of this. And like I said, tomorrow will be part 2 of the house tour. We just got to the lawyer's office. And we are about 20 minutes early, which is a good thing because we just didn't want to hit any traffic. The final walkthrough went very well. There was no problems. What else?
Well, generally, I'm always early for interviews, wakes, and now house closings.
That's right.
Nothing else.
No, nothing else. You're normally not on time, but today you did a very good job.
I'm always in time. These people are all on time. I'm in time.
And by the way, guys, I don't know if you've ever had this before. Jess found it at 7-Eleven.
Just because it matched her outfit.
Blue. Skyra Icelandic spring water, and it says 8.88 pH, which is alkaline. Press the button.
Lori throws her body in between the doors.
Second floor. We're in the elevator.
I just wanted to get her in a closed elevator.
We're so excited. So we are here at the official table. I just gave them the big final check, my ID. We gave our things.
And I am wondering, is this a conquistador?
I don't know, but we are waiting for everybody to arrive. I'm always early. That's me. Got my wallet ready to go. My bag down here.
If you can't tell, Lori's about ready to cry.
No, I'm just really excited. I'm
She's
excited.
not ready to cry.
I'm excited.
It's okay, you can cry.
It's 21 years of hard work and everything to get to this point.
I'll write that document.
Okay.